So when he rang back, I said, I'm sorry, I can't hear a thing.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, he said, and he did something, and then I could hear him fine.
And he was on, he was on his hand support, on his
I don't know what it was. It was, where's mine? But anyway, I got the impression he was a bit miffed, so I couldn't hear him properly.
Yeah.
And the last time I emailed him, I said, I made some DVDs. You know, do you want me to bring them to the farm or what?
Yeah.
No answer. So I thought, oh, sorry.
Yeah.
If he wants to be difficult, well,
yeah.
Okay. I'm still very grateful to him for letting me down there.
Yeah, yeah.
But it doesn't encourage you to go on spec.
No.
You know, if I've got an invitation and something was happening, I'd go like a shot.
It's a long way to go as well.
Yeah.
I'm not a bit anymore.
And once you're down there, if somebody texts you and says, oh, I'm doing so-and-so, you're stuffed, aren't you?
Yeah.
This morning I thought I was when you texted.
Yeah.
Because I was on my way to United. Because Lynn Jones is doing something. I think it's whole crop, I'm not sure.
Was it?
I wasn't too sure on the phone.
Yeah.
That's the trouble with the phone, is with only one ear, it's difficult. That's why I prefer a text. But I was on my way down there and I thought, oh brilliant, Darren Morgan's on the way.
Yeah, it's easy.
But I thought I was going to have to say, sorry, yeah. Let me do some, you don't mind if I...
No, you carry on.